How to fix Instagram music problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Play Store on your device. Search Instagram in here. If there is any update available for Instagram, update your app. Sometimes not updating your app may cause some issue. Another thing which you can do is open Settings and click on Apps and Notifications. After you're in Apps and Notifications, in here, simply click on Instagram. After you click on Instagram, click on Storage and Cache. In Storage and Cache, clear cache. After you've cleared cache, you can simply go back, reopen Instagram app, and your problem will be fixed. If it does not fix, you can uninstall the app and reinstall and log into your account. This is how to fix Instagram music problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.